This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Cars for Casey car show at the Classic Auto Mall. We're checking out this 32 Ford. This is a striking car. I really love this build. See all the details of that straight axle? Everything's beautifully chromed. It's got juice all the way through. Offenhauser heads. Edelbrock manifolds. Strombergs. Speaking of Fords. Very nice. I like the external filter over there, oil filter. The cut of this hardtop is just beautiful. Just beautiful. The moon hubcaps. Let me get it from the back so you see exactly what we're looking at. Nice. They're giving out the awards right now, so it's nice and easy to shoot. The carpeting in the back. I love the rolled interior. Thank you. Still 3-pedal, which is great. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Casey Cares car show. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.